spacious living and dining where you will be getting a granite platform along with the stainless steel sink. This is the space of your master bedroom where you can... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Mirai by Puranics located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. Also to my right is the main entrance to the project, and you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, as you can see, we are standing at the actual location. Behind me, you can see the actual towers of the project. And this project is spread across the land parcel of 13 acres that has total of 9 towers. And now talking about Tower Mirai, it has ground plus 2 level of podium plus 47 residential floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with a fire garden, a zen garden, a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, formal courtyard, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now let's talk about the location and connectivity. This project is located at conservatively behind Anand Nagar D-Mart opposite to Habari City, Thane, from where Metro Line 4 is at a distance of 700 meters, Metro Line 10 is at a distance of 700 meters, Gorbandar Road is at a distance of 700 meters. Also, you have school, colleges, hospital, all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are standing at the 2 BHK of the residential project Mirai. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 576 square feet. As you can see, this over here is a spacious living and dining. You can see you have walkable space. Even after placing your furniture, you can place a sofa, center table, customize your TV unit. Also, you can see you can place a dining table of 4 people very easily to enjoy meals with your friends and family. And attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables and tea chairs. You can also place your swings and enjoy the views from your balcony. This apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. On this side, you have your first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can make this your kids' bedroom or your guest bedroom. You can see you can customize a study corner, and you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for beautiful standing balcony look and safety. Also, this can be your wardrobe corner that you can customize as per your choice. And you can see you have plenty of walkable space in the bedroom even after placing your furniture. Moving forward, on this side of the apartment, we have a common washroom, kitchen and master bedroom. First over here, this is your kitchen space where you will be getting a granite platform along with the stainless steel sink. You can see you have plenty of movable space in the kitchen where 2 to 3 people can stand very easily. Again, you will be getting half French windows in the kitchen for ventilation, and just opposite to your kitchen is a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And Attached to your common washroom is your utility area where you can place your washing machine. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see this is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have walkable space even after placing your furniture. Wardrobe space provided is niche wardrobe space that gives your bedroom a bigger look, and in this corner we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, you have space if you want to design your TV unit, your makeup corner or your study corner, and you will be getting half French windows with glass facade to maintain your safety and give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Mirai. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Mirai by Puranex Group located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.